Let's turn our attention to judicial matters now, as the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja granted bail to the suspended Dean of the Faculty of Law, University of Calabar, Cyril Ndifon, in the sum of 250 million naira. Although the bail application is not due to be heard, Justice Omotosho granted him bail for 2 weeks to enable him undergo an optical surgery. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Ira reports.
In September 2023, the panel set up by the University of Calabar to investigate allegations of sexual harassment of female students by the suspended Dean of the Faculty of Law, University of Calabar, Cyril Ndifon, found the senior lecturer guilty of gross misconduct. The suspended Dean was consequently made to refund over 3 million naira realized from the payments made by law students for law journals which he neither published nor gave to the students. In October 2023, the suspended Dean was taken into custody by the Department of State Services. His arrest was at the instance of the ICPC following his alleged refusal to turn himself in for questioning despite several invitations. The ICPC had on 8 January arraigned Mr. Ndifon on a 4-count charge of sexual harassment of some of his students. He pleaded not guilty to the charges. At the resumed sitting, counsel to the ICPC told the court that they have not been served with the further affidavits filed by the defendant in respect to his bail application. He also noted that the affidavits of fact the court asked Sonny Anyanwu, one of the defendant's lawyer, in respect to the allegation made against him, was served on them on the 9th of January. Mr. Anyanwu had allegedly threatened one of the star witnesses the ICPC lined up for the trial. The court noted that since the prosecution has not been served with the defendant's further affidavits, his bail application is not due for hearing. Counsel to the defendant pleaded with the court that the defendant has glaucoma and needs to undergo an optical surgery. It was on this premise the court granted him a tentative bail from 10th January to 25th January. Mr. Ndifon and his counsel are to deposit their travel documents with the court. The court will continue hearing on the matter on 26th of January. Celestina Ira, TVC News